Today we're going to be looking at a function known as time delay. Now what time delay does, it essentially does not allow the keypad to unlock the lock immediately. Now this can be used on our ProLogic L02s and above. That's what I'll be using today, is the ProLogic L02. Now, when you're setting up time delay, there's a couple things to know first. You need to make sure that the ID number is set to at the very least 03 and beyond. Now, ID 00, ID 01, and ID 02 are known as time delay overrides, so these do not abide by the same functions as ID 03 and beyond. So what we're first going to do is we're going to go into our menu system, so press the menu OK button here. You'll see select menu. You're going to scroll down to system menu, press the menu OK button. It's going to ask you to enter a code. I'm going to enter in the ID 00 code, which I have set as a factory of all ones. And now it'll kick you to a new menu system. You're going to scroll down till you find set/cancel time delay. Press the menu OK button when you see that. And right now, since there is no time delay set, it is showing 00 minutes. We can scroll with the arrows. The maximum you can do for time delay is 99 minutes. But for the sake of this demonstration, we'll do 1 minute. So what a time window essentially functions as, after you enter in your code, you'll start the time delay, so whatever we set it to, so let's say 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. After that period of time is hit, we will be kicked into the time window, so we have a certain amount of time to enter the code again, and then that will unlock the door. So the maximum you can do for the time window is 15 minutes, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we'll do 1 minute. Press OK, and that should have set it. Now, let's go ahead and enter the ID 03 code. ID 3 is verified and the time delay starts. So you'll notice with time delay that every 15 seconds, this keypad will display the 15-second marks of each period of time. So for example, it'll start with 15 seconds, then go to 30, then go to 45, then a minute, minute 15, so on, until you hit the specified time delay that you set. But then once we hit that time, now we have the time window. Now we have a minute to unlock the door by entering the same code again. This will count down from the time that you set. So now it should kick in at 15 seconds. So you have 45 seconds left to enter the code. And it'll go to 30, then 15, and then you'll have to enter the code again if you don't do it. So we'll do that right now. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. That verified, and now we can unlock the door. And that is how you set up time delay.